Studies show that more than half of buyers make a purchase based on the experience they have with a seller. Showpad is here to help. Because let's face it, a day in the life of a typical manufacturing salesperson can be unpredictable. You've got to be ready to do a stellar sales presentation on the fly, sometimes without the usual luxuries like the internet. Showpad works online or offline, so presenting unexpectedly in the field like this is never a problem, even in the middle of an actual field. Imagine walking into a construction site filled with outdated products and being able to show, not tell, how what you offer can improve a prospect's daily job. Pull up content on the spot, like videos, testimonials, infographics, and more. Sales jobs today require reps to go with the flow of the conversation, especially when it goes someplace unexpected. Showpad has your back. Create an amazing buyer experience on any device, in any situation, every single time.